Ladies and gentlemen, Medtronic winning Strategic Investor of the Year tonight. Congratulations.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you.
Why do you think you won this award, and what is the value that you are bringing to our MedTech World ecosystem for the first time?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, first of all, Medtronic is the largest medtech company. And we are driven by our mission that has 6 powerful words: to alleviate pain, restore health, and extend life. And we think innovation is not just what happens within the 4 walls of Medtronic, but what happens in the startup ecosystem as well. So we are very active in supporting entrepreneurs who bring breakthrough technologies, not just with capital, but with our expertise, with our support as well. Because end of the day, our goal is to bring market-changing innovation that changes standard of care. So the role that we play is probably the recognition of the work that the Medtronic team has done.
The medtech ecosystem in North America is the biggest and is moving fast as well. So how Medtronic move as well fast with this fast pace of the ecosystem, and what are you looking in companies that want to work with you?
So we look for companies that are solving the hard unmet needs. If you have a differentiated technology that solves unmet needs, which is within the strategic area of interest for us, we as an organization would be interested. We partner with startups, we engage with them. We have Medtronic Ventures, we have different ways where we provide capital, but as I said, we also engage with them to provide expertise as well. Our goal ultimately is to partner to make sure patients are getting the best technologies, the best innovation.
Sometimes companies, startups get a bit intimidated when they approach big companies like yours. What is the advice you give them? And especially for startups that are looking for growth.
Don't be intimidated. If you have a great technology, reach out to us. We want to hear from you. We want to partner with you. We want to work with you. So again, reach out to people. As long as you have a good technology that is solving an unmet patient need, we are very interested in partnering with you.
How do you think these events like MedTech World North America help the MedTech ecosystem to connect, and do changes at the end of the day to the patient's life?
It's a great event. I mean, it's a great way to connect to people. You see entrepreneurs here, you see investors, you see strategics here. It's a good way to get to know people, build relationships, build contacts. So I think my first time here, but I think it's been just good to meet people here. Yeah.
Well, congratulations for your award, and enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.